Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how we can use conditional view in FlexCard, OmniStudio FlexCards. I have already created FlexCards and OmniScripts for one of my demo tutorial, and it's just I have used in this tutorial like I'm passing data from OmniScript to FlexCard, and we are just getting I'm using the FlexCard is within a custom LWC component in OmniScript, and based on that we can just get information. We can pass the information from OmniScript step 1 to the FlexCard, and with the help of FlexCard we can just uh, display the information that is captured from the step 1 of the OmniScript with through the FlexCard. So if I just preview this one, I'll be adding that tutorial link in this video description. So the video description will be like passing the data from OmniScript to FlexCard. And if I just show you quickly, like I am providing the name and type, industry. There are different values for the industry available, and types. There are standard field values are there for the type field, and for industry I'm choosing this one. So with this value, I am just clicking on next, and this screen is from the FlexCard. So this is how we can just pass values from the OmniScript to FlexCard, and in here I have used like configurations of the custom web component properties. Like we need to provide the property name of parent data to true, and we just need to pass records data source as the step 1. So this is how we can just pass the data from OmniScript to the FlexCard. And in this FlexCard, I have used like this custom data source type as custom, and we can just pass using a custom JSON. We can just receive the data from the OmniScript. But now for today's demo, I'll be just updating this FlexCard to show this type field conditionally. So based on a condition, like there are different types are available. Like if I just preview this one, we can see there are different types are there, like analyst, competitor, customer, integrator, extra, etc. So I'll be adding that condition, like whenever the type is customer, then only this field column type field will be available at the UI level. So we just need to add, since this data in the next step will be shown with the help of this FlexCard. That is why we need to update the conditional view within this FlexCard. So since we just need to first deactivate this FlexCard, I'm just deactivating this one. So this FlexCard is deactivated now. Now we can just edit this FlexCard, and on clicking on this field value within this active state, we can see these conditions. So conditions is nothing but let me just read out this text, help text, like display or hide data based on the value of a data field. For example, display an alert icon or supplemental text for an escalated case. Apply conditions to any element listed in the build panel of the FlexCard designer. So we just add as many as condition as a single or a group wise we can just add to show the field conditionally. So we can just click on this add new button, and we can see that this add condition, add groups are there. So add conditions will be like the help text is saying that add a condition that must be based on a data field values. And for add group, we can create complex expression by grouping conditions. A group is similar to enclosing a series of tests in parentheses in a programming language. For example, to add a condition for high priority cases that are either escalated or have an account whose revenue is above a certain number, create two condition groups connected by an OR operator. For example, priority high and is escalated to, or priority high and annual revenue greater than this value. So this is how we can just use this add group as well. But for the time being, I'll be using this add condition. And in here we can see this data field. We just need to choose our data field, like our data field should be type. I will be adding the condition on the type field. So whenever this type field value there are different operators are there. If the type field value equals to, I want to just add for customer. So for this customer value, I just want to display this type field. So this is how we can just, I just click on save, and we can see that this condition is added. And in here, this is, there will be an eye icon will be there that specifically displays the condition, like whenever this type equals to customer, then only this field value will be shown. So after adding the condition, we just need to deactivate this FlexCard. So after deactivating, we can just click on done, and let me just go to OmniScript, and I can just click on refresh, and let me check with the value, like I'm providing name Virat, and I'm just adding the type value as customer and industry. uh, Let me choose banking. After selecting the value, I'm just clicking on next, and we can see that all the field values are showing, like type is customer, since the condition was for customer only. Now if I just choose a different value rather than customer, let me check the condition is working or not. I am choosing like integrator, type as integrator, and industry as biotechnology, and let me click on next, and we can see that this type field is not showing. So this is how we can just simply add conditions in FlexCard. So I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and OmniStudio topics, as well as data cloud topics. So please stay tuned. Please like, share. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.